The Earth's story is a fascinating and complex narrative that spans billions of years. It begins with the formation of our solar system around 4.6 billion years ago, and the Earth itself took shape around 4.54 billion years ago. Let's take a journey through the major milestones in the Earth's history. 1. Formation. The early solar system was a swirling mass of gas and dust. Over time, gravity caused this material to clump together, forming planetesimals and eventually, protoplanets. One of these protoplanets was our Earth. 2. Heavy bombardment. In the early stages of its formation, Earth was subjected to a period of intense bombardment known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, around 4.1 to 3.8 billion years ago. During this period, asteroids and comets collided with Earth, causing significant changes to its surface. 3. Formation of the Moon. One of the most critical events in Earth's history was the collision with a Mars-sized object around 4.5 billion years ago. This impact led to the ejection of debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form the Moon. 4. Early atmosphere and oceans. As Earth cooled, water vapor in the atmosphere condensed, leading to the formation of the oceans. The early atmosphere was primarily composed of carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, and water vapor. 5. Origin of life. Around 3.5 to 4 billion years ago, life is believed to have emerged on Earth. The exact details of how life began are still the subject of scientific investigation, but it likely started with simple single-celled organisms. 6. Evolution of life. Over millions of years, life evolved and diversified. Simple organisms gave rise to more complex ones, leading to the development of plants, animals, and eventually, humans. 7. Oxygen revolution. One of the most significant events in Earth's history was the Great Oxygenation Event, which occurred around 2.4 billion years ago. Cyanobacteria, a type of photosynthetic bacteria, began producing oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. This led to the gradual buildup of oxygen in the atmosphere, paving the way for more complex life forms that rely on oxygen for respiration. 8. Supercontinents and plate tectonics. Throughout Earth's history, the continents have drifted and collided due to plate tectonics. Various supercontinents, such as Rodinia and Pangaea, have formed and broken apart over time. 9. Extinction events. Earth has experienced several mass extinction events in its history, where a significant proportion of species became extinct. The most well-known is the Cretaceous-Paleogene (KPG) extinction event, around 66 million years ago, which wiped out the dinosaurs and many other species. 10. Ice ages and climate changes. Earth has undergone multiple ice ages and periods of dramatic climate change, influenced by factors such as variations in the Earth's orbit and changes in atmospheric composition. 11. Human evolution and civilization. Homo sapiens, modern humans, emerged in Africa around 300,000 years ago. Over time, humans developed complex societies, languages, cultures, and civilizations, which have profoundly shaped the planet's landscape and ecosystems. 12. Modern environmental challenges. In recent history, human activities have led to significant environmental challenges, such as climate change, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and pollution. These issues pose significant threats to the planet and its inhabitants. The Earth's story is an ongoing and interconnected narrative, with its future outcomes dependent on how we, as a global community, choose to address the environmental challenges and responsibilities we face in the present day. Understanding our planet's history can help us make informed decisions for a sustainable